Using a knife in a gunfight as regards to medical health condition. What does it mean? Just a few days ago, a patient friend of mine was having classical urinary tract infection symptoms, painful urination, incomplete bladder emptying, frequent urination with hematuria, urinating of blood. So she went to a pharmacy, normal mentality about most Nigerians. So she went to a pharmacy and they prescribed some drugs for her, some tablet drugs to be taken. After a few days, the condition was worsening. Now, this happens most of the times. Many people tend to go to pharmacies when they should visit the hospital. I'm not saying people shouldn't go to pharmacy again, no. But there's some medical health conditions that warrant you visiting a hospital instead of going to a pharmacy. And this one is just one of it. Using a knife in a gunfight as regards this stated medical condition that just happened with this patient friend of mine is a battle one can lose. She saw she wasn't improving. She now decided to visit the hospital and appropriate care was given, bladder irrigation, intravenous antibiotics, appropriate tests. And after some few days, the blood stopped and she's better today. There are also other health conditions that this happened. Someone has severe malaria and they are giving tablets, going to a pharmacy to be buying tablets repeatedly. It doesn't make sense. Someone has hyperglycemia, high sugar, 500 and something, and you are taking tablets recurrently. You will just develop complications. It's very important to know when to visit a pharmacy, to know when to visit a hospital. For some simple medical health conditions, you can visit a pharmacy. But there are some sensitive, complicated cases that you need to visit a hospital. It's very important. And sometimes delay can be dangerous because there are some conditions, if you waste time, like this woman now that had this UTI, urination of blood, if she wastes time, there can be hydronephrosis and she will come down with acute kidney injury. This happens. So delay sometimes can be dangerous. And also it can even make you spend more. Like, I know how much she spent on buying drugs that she did not even need at that point in time. So it's very important. This new week, let's avoid using a knife in a gunfight in medical health conditions. It's very important.